Hello, my name is Ardi and we are going to solve problem 4.30 from Schaum's outline of electric circuit, and we are asked to find this I here by using superposition. Okay, and remember that if we need to do superposition, we need to turn off each independent source. So we will turn its current circuit here. One will be turned off and then the other will turn off later. Dependent sources. And then we need to analyze separately. So analyze separately. And then last one will be add up the result from the results. Okay, so the first step will be to turn off one of the current source. So we can split this circuit into two circuits. Okay, I have two circuits here. Okay, so this one will be when this current here turn off, when 5 ampere current source turn off. So turning off current source meaning that we replace it by open circuit, and this is when 25 ampere current source turn off. Okay, so I will have two circuits here, and to make things easier I will take this bottommost node as our. So here our voltage will equal to 0, and this is also will equal to 0. Okay, and then let's name this I here as I prime, and let's name this I here as I double prime. So I will have I prime and double prime, and I will analyze this circuit first. Okay, let's name this node here as node A, and I will use KCL. So this current is going to the node, and this I prime is going outside the nodes, and then I will assume this current here will going down here. So let's do KCL at node A. KCL at node A. And what does KCL say? KCL said that the sum of the currents that goes in is equal to the currents that goes out. The currents that goes in is just this 25 ampere, so I have 25, and that will equal to VA divided by 30, right? Plus this current here, which is VA divided by 20. Divided by 20, and let's do simple arithmetic, maybe by multiplying both sides by 60, and then I will have 150, one more zero, so 1500. And then I will have, for this one I will have 2 VA plus 3 VA, and I will have 1500 is equal to 5 VA, and then VA will be equal to 300 volt. However, we are asked to find this I prime, right? So I prime is equal to, by using Ohm's law, I will have VA divided by the resistance between them, so 300 divided by 8 plus 12 will be 20. So I will have I prime is equal to 15 ampere, right? So 15 ampere, and if we see here, it's the same as this one, so maybe we are in a good shape. So now let's draw some lines maybe so we don't get confused. here. Okay, what can we do from here? Maybe we should start analyzing the second circuit, and let's name this node as node B, and we are assuming this current is going down, and this current is also going outside the node, and this current is going to the node. So let's do KCL at node B maybe. So I'll have KCL at node B. And what does KCL say? KCL said that the sum of the currents that goes in is equal to the sum of the currents that goes out. Okay, the only current that goes in is just this I double prime. And I double prime is equal to this current minus VB. I mean this voltage minus VB. We'll have 0 minus VB divided by the resistance between them, which is 30 plus 8 or 38, and no other current that goes in. So let's see the current that goes out, which is this VB. We have this VB divided by 12, and then this 5 ampere, so plus 5 ampere. And so I will have minus VB divided by 38 is equal to VB over 12 plus 5, or we can arrange this into, what is it, VB divided by 12 plus VB divided by 38 is equal to minus 5, right? And from here, what can we do? Maybe we can multiply both sides by 12 multiplied by 38, right? So on the left hand side, I will have 38 VB plus 12 VB, right? And that will equal to minus 5 multiplied by 12 multiplied by 38. So I will have, what is it, 50 VB, right? 50 VB, and that will equal to minus 5 multiplied by 12 multiplied by 38. So I will have VB is equal to minus 5 multiplied by 12 multiplied by 38 divided by 50. Okay, so now I will leave this as is. Why? Because to find I double prime, so maybe I need some space here. So I will have new slide maybe. Okay, to find I double prime, I will need to use Ohm's law here. So I double prime is equal to 0 minus VB divided by 30 plus 8, right? So I'll have 0 minus VB divided by 38. Or I can just write this as minus VB divided by 38. But I can write this as minus 138 multiplied by VB. Right? And our VB, what is our VB? Minus 1 over 38 multiplied by, our VB is this number here. So let's copy that. This number. And then let's paste it here, right? I have this number. And then I will have this 38 will cancel, right? And then this minus become positive, minus multiplied by minus. And then what can we do from here? This 5 will cancel with 50, becomes 10. And now we only need to calculate 12 divided by 10. So I will have I prime is equal to 12 divided by 10 is 1.2 ampere. So now we have this I prime, and then we also have I double prime. So the final thing we need to calculate is the sum of them. So I'll have I is equal to I prime plus I double prime. So I will have I is equal to 15 plus 1.2, or I is 16.2 ampere. And this is the final answer for this question. Hopefully I did not make any mistakes. Let me know if I did. And bye bye.